Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl and welcome back to my studio. In this series of videos, we're going to walk step by step through the fundamentals of reading crochet charts. Please follow each of the videos as each one will go through a different component that you will need to be successful at reading crochet charts. Let's get started. We begin with the basic stitches, starting with slip stitch and chain. Notice single crochet can be symbolized in two different ways. Then we have the half double crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, double treble crochet, and triple treble crochet. These are the symbols for bullion stitch and clones knot. Cluster stitches can also be known as puff stitches and bobble stitches. Here we have some examples in half double crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, and double treble crochet, including a 5 double crochet popcorn stitch. Decreases can be worked with any height stitch. Here are some examples in single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and treble crochet stitches. Delta stitches can be worked over any height stitch. Here the examples are shown in double treble crochet. Extended stitches can be worked over any height stitch. Here the examples are shown in single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. The crochet chain can be used to make picots, chain spaces, and chain rings. Here are some examples. Foundation stitches can be made with any height stitch. Here are some examples of the foundation oval, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. Length stitches can be worked on any height stitch. Here are some examples in single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, and double treble crochet. There are two different types of post stitches, front post and back post. They can be worked over any height stitch. Here are some examples in single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. Shells can be worked with any type of stitch and any multiple of that type of stitch, all worked into the same stitch or space. Here are some examples in single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and treble crochet. These are the variations of the Solomon's knot symbols. Spiked stitches can be worked over any height stitch. Here are some examples in single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and treble crochet. V-stitches can be worked in any combination of stitches and chains. Here are some examples in single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and treble crochet. And here are some variations of the X and Y stitches. Follow the link provided to download all 88 of these chart symbols plus glossary of all of these stitches. If you have any questions about this video, please leave them for me in the comments and make sure you watch all of the videos in this playlist so you can learn all the fundamentals step by step for how to read crochet charts. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.